for us to train on together. It's about true love and it's called Tapao no Tahiti, the sign of love. Okay, so let's get romantic and let's get dancing. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button below and thank you so much for your support. Let's get started. So we start like this. We have the hands here, down, and then I'm going to unfold like this. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I stay here and I turn, hands down flat, okay? And from there, I start the song and I'm gonna go to the front. Okay, so here comes the bird. Okay, again. Here comes the bird. Yes. Okay, awesome. From there, down. It's coming from the sky to the earth, from the sky. So right, left, here. Okay, right, left. And then hands up. And you are going to turn on your left. Okay, back, forward. Alright? And then from there, I'm going to do my eyes. I open my eyes and then I go, I see to the right. Again, I open my eyes, I see to the right. Very good. Then from there, I see the beauty. Right hand up, drop, left hand up, and last, I'm going to go up, down, up, down. Okay, that's the hand motion. So one more time from the beginning, I'm like this. I go open it, drop slowly, stay, turn, and I start the song. Here comes the bird. Down, yes, and then up to the sky, hop here. Okay, and then I go, my eyes can see, and I go this way, yes, and then from there, I go for the beauty, up, I reverse, I go up, and I go for the bird, up, down, down. Okay, let's add the steps. So let's go. I'm here and I'm going to start with feet together. Then I'm going to start with my right, left, right. So I'm here and I go ta-ra-ra and I go right, left, right, left. Okay, hands up. And I drop and I turn to my left and I turn to my left. And then I stay here. Okay, one last time. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left. It turn 2 times. There you go. Stay here. From there, when I'm here, I start the song and I'm going to go, here comes the bird. Okay, so I go right, tap, left, left, tap. Okay, so I go 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. Okay, so I go 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. From here, I go on the earth. Right, back. Okay, so I go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then from there I have my hands up, parallel, and I'm going to make a round to my left, this left, and I turn to the back. Back, back. I go back, and I go back. 2 rounds, 2 full rounds. From there, when I'm done with the rounds and the sky, okay, I'm going to go the eyes. Eyes, open, tap, see, this side, tap. To the front, right, left, right. I drop, hop. Yes. I'm going to go this side, I go this side, and I'm going to go for the bird. I'm going to lean to my right, to my left, to my right, to my left, like this. Right, left, okay? So I'm here and I go right, left, I pivot to my left, right, left, and I come back center. Alright, so one more time from the beginning, let's go. So I'm here and I go 1, 2, 3, 4, turn, 2, 3, stay. Here comes the bird. The earth here, and then I turn and I turn. Very good. The eyes here. The beauty is drop. Very good. From there I go for the bird. Hop, up, 1, 2. And I come back to the front. Okay, from I present again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I come back here. Congratulations! Well done on today's class. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful song, Tapao no Tehire, which means the sign of love. Yeah? Leave me some comments below. Tell me what you thought about the song, if you have some suggestions. And I also have many other videos you can check out on this channel. So please like, share, and support my channel. Thank you so much. And last, I'd like to invite you all to come do some dancing with me online. I launched my online classes. There's like hundreds of classes available for all levels. Okay? So I let you go now. I'm sending you all big kisses. And never forget, you are amazing! I wanted to do this. Oh, it's so romantic. Alright, see you all for our next class. Please like, share, subscribe. Come learn more with me online at TahitianDanceFitness.com.